What's up, guys? So in today's video I'll be showing you how you can claim thousands of dollars for totally free. So as you can see here, we'll be claiming Eyfi token. As you can see, one Eyfi token here is equal to $75 and has been listed on 2 different exchanges. So I'll be teaching you how you can claim thousands of dollars worth of these tokens in this video. So make sure you watch to the end and learn how to add the tokens to your wallet also, and how you can withdraw these tokens. So what you need to do is to, as you can see, the token here is $75.21. So in this video, once you register for the airdrop, once you sign up, you get one token for free. That's $75. Then I will be teaching you also how you can claim unlimited amount. So the first thing you need to do is to go to your browser. Then the link is in the description box, so you have to copy the link from the description box, then paste it there. So once you paste it there, this is what it will bring out. So it should load just in time. So as you can see here, on the website is a $50 million worth airdrop. So free $50 million airdrop giveaway of Eyfi token. So you get $1 million in giveaway, 1 million token in giveaway for 1 token to sign up, and 1 token per free referral. So you can get $75 per referral. So this is actually a very legit airdrop, and I'm showing you how you can also, how legit it is and why I say it's legit. So as you can see, fill the form below to claim. So you can see your referral here is Quick Money. That's me. So what you just need to do is to input your email address, your full name, your password, and confirm password, and click on submit. So you automatically be signed up. So you can check out other things about the website here down below. So now let's go. So once you register, you send the link to your email. So just go to your email. The link should look like this. So just go to your email, then click on activate my account. So when you activate your account, so you go back. This is not everything. Watch the video till the end, because you miss some important aspects if you just click off the video. So now, as you can see, once you do that, so you actually have to log into your account. Let's try to go to the home page. Alright, so the token is actually very legit. It ends in 3 days and 12 hours. So you can actually claim the token as soon as you can. This is if you're looking to earn money very fast, a way of earning money, this is it. Don't sleep on this. This airdrop is legit, and it has been approved by so many social platforms, which I'll be showing you later in this video. I'll also be showing you how you can activate the token on your Trust wallet, so everybody can do that at the end of this video. So let's go ahead and log into our accounts now. So let's just click on login. All right, so once this is what the login page should look like. So just input your same email address there. So once you input that, just click on login. So as you can see here, I've claimed one Eyfi token, which is $75, and now I'm going to be teaching you how you can claim also unlimited amount of this token. So as you can see here, one Eyfi token claimed already, one for airdrop. So your referral link, you can just click there to copy your referral link. You can just click here if you want to copy it. So as you can see, your Eyfi team and so on. So now let me be showing you why I said this token is actually legit. So alright, you can scroll to the bottom, you can see more things about the token on their website here. So it has actually been approved on so many, as you can see here, so many. Even Fox has approved it, SNN News, as you can see, it has been approved on so many platforms. So it's actually a very legit airdrop, which will make a lot of people very, very rich. So as you can see here, you can check it on different exchanges. So let's check it here on KuCoin exchange, so you can know it's actually legit. So the price here on KuCoin exchange is, alright, so as you can see here, it's $74.95 per Eyfi token. So as you can see here, that's the price of this token on KuCoin exchange. So it has been listed here also, which is to show that it's a legit exchange, because you don't just list anything. So let's now check PancakeSwap, because that's what most of us are used to. Just click on that there. So as you can see here on PancakeSwap also, the price here is for $74.92. So it's actually a legit airdrop also. So make sure you like this video if you're enjoying this type of content. Please like the video, it helps to support us, and subscribe to the channel also for more money making videos. So you can check it on Binance BSC scan. So you can copy the contract address here. So it's actually a legit coin. As you can see, I've shown you so many proofs already. So you can copy the contract address there. That's to add it to your wallet. So now let's go ahead and add it to our Trust wallet. So what you need to do is to go to your Trust wallet app. So just go to your Trust wallet app. Alright, so let's just go there. So just click on this top right icon there. Just click on that. So once you click on that, just scroll to the bottom of the page and click on add custom token. So once you add custom token, just change this network to smart chain. where there is Ethereum, just click it and change it to smart chain. So alright, sorry, you paste the contract address, not the website link. So you paste the contract address there. So alright, this is it here. Let's just paste that. So it should bring out everything automatically. But if it doesn't bring out just chill, it's because of the network. Sometimes the network might be slow around where I am, so it will still come up by itself. So you just keep pasting it until it comes up. So as you can see, okay, let's paste it again. So it has not come up. So alright, it's just the network, it will still come up by itself. So let's try this one more time again. So let's go back. Alright, so let's go here, let's paste it now. So alright, so as you can see, it has worked. This is it, Eyfi token. So the price on Trust Wallet is actually fake. This is a glitch price. This is not the real price. This is a glitch on Trust Wallet end. So the token has actually been listed also, but this is a glitch price. This is not the real price. The real price is about $75. So if you want to claim it, just go ahead and claim the tokens as soon as you can. So if you are enjoying this video, make sure you give us a thumbs up, then subscribe to the channel for more money making videos. If you're interested in making money, just subscribe to the channel to help encourage us too. So that's how you can claim these tokens. Make sure you claim as many as you can, up to thousands of dollars. So when you can actually withdraw this, you will actually be able to make a whole lot of money from this. So thanks for watching this video, guys, and I'll see you in the next one.